Cold showers, the perfect habit. Today we'll talk about a habit that's become quite popular lately. But still many people hesitate to try cold showers. For those who ask, won't I get sick? Let's answer that right away. No. When done correctly, cold showers won't make you sick. They'll actually make you healthier. So what are the 5 incredible benefits of taking cold showers? 1. Boosts your circulatory system. Cold water speeds up blood flow as your body works to restore its temperature. Your arteries and veins become more active, and your tissues regenerate faster. Result: a more vibrant skin and a more energetic body. 2. Reduces symptoms of depression. Studies show that people who take regular cold showers experience fewer depressive symptoms. The cold exposure triggers the release of endorphins and dopamine, your brain's natural feel-good chemicals. In medicine, this is known as hydrotherapy. In short, cold showers refresh both your body and your mind. 3. Decreases anxiety and stress. Cold showers are a small but controlled form of stress for your body. That means they train you to handle real-life stress better. Taking a cold shower in the morning helps you stay calm, focused, and resilient throughout the day. 4. Strengthens the immune system. A properly taken cold shower doesn't make you sick. It protects you from illness. It enhances communication between immune cells and strengthens your body's defense system. As your body adapts, you'll notice you get sick much less often. 5. Helps with weight loss. When your body is exposed to cold water, it boosts your metabolism to maintain its temperature. That means you burn more energy and more fat, especially after a workout. Cold showers can significantly increase your basal metabolic rate. In other words, regular cold showers can support healthy weight loss. How to take a cold shower the right way. Start with warm water. Gradually lower the temperature from 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, to 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit over 5 minutes. Stay under the 20 degrees Celsius water for about 3 minutes. Remember, a cold shower doesn't mean jumping into ice-cold water. People with heart conditions should lower the temperature gradually and consult their doctor. Remember, just 3 minutes of this small daily habit can completely change your energy, mood, and overall health. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay tuned for more healthy lifestyle videos. Take care and see you in the next one.